Hey guys, we're on unit 9 and we're going to do day 1 today. And so this is day 1 warm up, and it says given the equal terms, cube root of x to the 5th and y to the 5/6, determine and state y in terms of x. All right, if you reread that again, there's a huge important term right here, and it says given the equal terms. So what we're going to do is we're going to first set this up and then we'll figure out where to go from here. So what they're saying is that the cube root of x to the 5th is equal to y to the 5/6. Okay, we know that we have exponent properties and not properties with radicals, and all radicals can be rewritten as fractional exponents so that we can use the properties of our exponents to figure out what we need to figure out. So on the left-hand side, we have a radical, and we're going to switch that back to a fractional exponent. Remember, the number in the crack goes on the bottom is the way of remembering that, and we end up with x to the 5/3 is equal to y to the 5/6. All right, now we have to figure out, are we solving for x or are we solving for y? And it says determine and state y in terms of x, okay, which means we want y equals. Therefore, if we look at our y here, okay, we have to get rid of that 5/6. And so to get rid of a fractional exponent, we use the reciprocal power. And so we're going to raise this side to the 6/5. Okay, therefore, we're going to raise this side to the 6/5. Okay. Over here, a fractional exponent raised to a fractional exponent, or any exponent raised to an exponent, you multiply them together, and 5/6 times 6/5 actually turns into 1, and y to the first power is just y. And so then we end up with y equals, which is exactly what we wanted. Okay. On the other side, that's an exponent raised to an exponent, and again, that gets multiplied. So it's 5/3 times 6/5 in your calculator, and when you hit enter, you end up with 2, and so this side becomes x to the second. And there it is. There's our answer. Y is equal to x to the second. So that is stating y in terms of x. X is in our answer. Okay. Hopefully that helps. You can also rewrite it if you like y equals on the left-hand side. All right. Y equals x squared is the same thing. All right. I will see you guys on day 1 notes.